Scorpio, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH. Titingnan natin kung ano yung bagong kabanata na magbubukas sa inyo. We will use astrology, tarot, and oracle para makita natin yung energies. And mas maganda na panoorin nyo to sa perspective ng inyong rising sign. If hindi nyo pa alam kung ano yung inyong rising sign, punta lang kayo sa Google. Type nyo lang how to know my rising sign. And then, meron kayong i-fill up na information. Importante yung inyong time of birth tsaka place of birth. Ayan. Tapos malalaman nyo na kung ano ang inyong rising sign. Pero kung hindi nyo alam yung time of birth nyo, you're not sure, so maaari rin namang makaresonate dito yung mga Scorpio Sun or Scorpio Moon. Okay? So, ang ating basehan dito ay ang transit ni Saturn. Si Saturn ay magta-transit sa Aries. Papasok siya sa sign ng Aries starting February 14, 2026 hanggang April 2028. So, 2.5 years yan ng transit. So, of course, Saturn is the planet of restriction, mga responsibilities, structure, discipline. So, bibigyan ka ng lesson dito ni Saturn. And syempre, pag may mga lessons, bago natin makuha yung lesson, meron munang challenges, no? May mga testing. Ayan. So, this is the area of life na iti-test sa'yo, Scorpio, which is your 6th house. Okay? So, especially for Scorpio rising. 6th house is about your daily routine, your daily habits, your rituals, your work, yung what you do on the day-to-day life. So, pwedeng iba sa inyo may mga challenges dyan. Pwedeng may magbabago sa routine ninyo. Let's say, yung iba, marilipat ng ibang department sa trabaho sa loob ng 2 years, 2.5 years. Yung iba naman, pwedeng kayo ay, lilipat talaga ng trabaho, like ibang trabaho, totally ibang company. Okay? Maari ring may mga opportunities for you to explore yung ibang career path. Pwedeng, yun nga, paglipat ng, let's say, lilipat ka ng ibang lugar, pwede ring ibang countries, no, for some of you. But you have to pay attention to your health, okay? Kasi Saturn in your 6th house, this is a challenging situation pagdating sa kondisyon ng kalusugan mo. So if there is something na alam mong kailangan mong ayusin, asikasuhin sa kalusugan mo within this time frame, February 2026 to April 2028, gawin mo. Okay? Take control of your health. Saturn is about restriction, so maaring meron kang kailangang iwasan na mga pagkain or gawain na hindi na makakatulong sa kalusugan mo. Okay? Also, Neptune is here. May mga times na parang you feel na nire-restrict ka sa mga bagay na gusto mo. Neptune kasi can also be associated sa anything na sobra. Oo. So, anything na sobra, like sobra sa work, sobrang pagtatrabaho, makaka-apekto sa kalusugan mo. Hindi ka na nakakatulog ng maayos, hindi ka nakakapagpahinga. Tapos pagdating rin sa pagkain, alam mo naman kung ano yung mga bagay na hindi nakakabuti, pagkain na hindi nakakabuti sa'yo, kinakain mo pa rin. So, this is also about you planning things for your health na maaring mas healthier yung kakainin mo. Maaring, kumbaga wag mo na lang din hintayin na ma-hospital ka bago ka mag-change ng lifestyle mo. Kasi alam mo na rin mismo sa ngayon pa lang, kung meron kang kailangang ayusin at asikasuhin sa health mo. So, if there is something that you need to take control of, i-control mo na. Okay? And then, I also see you na being supportive rin sa yung family mo, yung home life mo. So, some of you pwedeng magbabago ng setup ng work ninyo. Like, for example, dati sa office kayo, ngayon you will have your own home office, work from home, yung setup mo. Or pwede ring may pagbabago sa trabaho mo na tipong yung iba magre-resign para makapagnegosyo. So, andun yung mga options for you. Okay? Kailangan lang din na explore mo rin yung ibang options for you para mas maasikaso, maalagaan mo yung sarili mo. Kasi this can be a challenging for you. Challenging times for you, especially in your health. And also, ito rin yung merong mga taong marireveal na mga these people are your enemies, no? Pwedeng malalaman mo na itong person na pala to ay merong hindi maganda intentions towards you. Pwedeng isang kaibigan mo to or even kamag-anak, no? But at least you know who you are dealing with. Ano yung mga dapat mong iwasan. So you have Jupiter in Sagittarius in the 9th house. So, a lot of learning for you, no? Yung iba sa inyo magiging interesado kayo sa pagbabasa ng libro, pag-aaral, self-study, or yung iba, idadagdag nyo sa routine nyo yung schooling. So, pwedeng kayo ay magte-take up ng master's degree, PhD, kung ano-ano man na magpapaunlad ng inyong kaisipan, ng inyong kamalayan. O, di ba, ang lalim. Also, there is an opportunity for you to work abroad, no? Kung yan yung isa sa plano mo. May isa yan sa mag-shift or pagbabago sa day-to-day life mo. You also have Mercury in Pisces in the 12th house. So, there is a message or an inspiration. Like, yung iba sa inyo, you may be exploring your spirituality, your religious aspect ng buhay mo, religious beliefs mo, kasi pwede rin yan sa belief system mo. Some of you may opportunities, if you're into healthcare, merong opportunities abroad sa inyo, like you are a nurse or a caregiver or assistant, doctor, ganyan. And also, some of you, yung creative side naman ninyo, you will tap into your creative side na kung saan kaya mong mag-earn ng money just by staying at home. Okay? You also have Saturn in Scorpio in the 8th house. 8th house is transformation. Okay? So, you are changing things. Maaring may endings, may pagbabago sa sitwasyon, sa setup ng trabaho, ng career path mo, or even yung health mo, na meron ka ng totally na tatalikuran na ginagawa mo na hindi nakakabuti for you, for your health. And 8th house is also about the occult. So, some of you talaga magkakaroon kayo ng interest sa pag-aaral ng, let's say, tarot, astrology, numerology, something that is very exciting at the same time mysterious para sa inyo. Another thing, pwede ring meron kayong ma-receive na mana. Or itong mana na to kasi pwede siyang idea or abilities or talents na makukuha mo or nakuha mo na from your parents or from your ancestors. Okay, let's see what else for Scorpio. Okay, so you have the 9 of Cups. This is fulfillment ng mga wishes mo. So, syempre, si Saturn, hindi lang naman puro challenges ang ibibigay niyan, pati rewards. So, kung alam niya na you did your work, nagawa mo yung assignment niya, syempre, bibigyan ka ng magandang resulta niyan. May reward yan for you, yung hard work na yan. For example, mas naging determinado ka sa pagsasaayos ng kalusugan mo, ng iyong physical self, no? So, makukuha mo yung gusto mo, yung goal mo, yung body goals na yan, di ba? You also have the 5 of Swords. So, mag-ingat sa mga distractions sa paligid mo. Meron at merong makikialam niya na parang i-discourage ka sa mga ginagawa mo. Kukontrahin yung mga plano mo. So, just focus on what you really want to work on to achieve within this 2 years, 2.5 years period. You also have the Moon. The Moon is your instinct, your intuition. So, magiging malakas rin yung iyong pakiramdam, yung iyong decision making. Makakatulong yung instinct, intuition mo pagdating sa pagpili ng best possible decision. And also, like what I mentioned kanina, 'di ba, merong revelation, meron ditong magugulat ka na siya pala ay hidden enemies mo. The moon is also revealing what is hidden, okay? So maaring kasi sixth house is also itong house kasi na to is about open enemies or someone na mga bagay or sitwasyon na kumukontra sa mga gusto mo. Meron siyang opposition sa 12th house mo. So, especially if you have placements there sa 12th house. So, you will be shown, no? Ipapakita sa'yo yung mga tao or sitwasyon that is no longer supportive of your goals. Meron din ditong betrayal, okay? So, some of you maaring maka-experience ng betrayal from someone that is close to you, pwedeng kamag-anak or even partner, mahal sa buhay. But, itong betrayal na to, at least nalaman mo kung sino talaga yung dapat mong pagkatiwalaan. When peace is your priority, negativity cannot exist. So, ito rin yung isa sa focus mo pagdating sa health mo, yung meron kang peace of mind. How can you see through the eyes of source energy and prioritize your inner peace? Yes. Prioritizing your inner peace over yung mga conflict and toxic environment. So, yun yung iiwasan mo para mas magkaroon ka ng healthy lifestyle. Okay? So, that is your reading, Scorpio. Thank you so much. See you again.